Let me show you how to set up the Gmail vacation responder. If you are going on a vacation or taking a break from work, you can set up Gmail in a way it automatically replies when you are away from work. To enable this automatic reply, you can head over to the settings on Gmail and head over to see all settings. Now, before it was called vacation responder, now it has been renamed. Click on the general section, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see the option which says out of office auto reply. Select the option of out of office reply on, which means now the office reply has been turned on. You can select the first day and select the last day as well if you have a set date when you're going to return back to work. Select the date as required, add in a subject, add in a message, whatever you'd like, and then you can click on save changes. Now, if you want this reply to be made to any person that you send G email, you can leave this unchecked. But if you want only your contacts to receive this email, make sure you toggle this option or check this option and then click on save changes. And there you go, your out of work now has been enabled. If you want, you can end this anytime by clicking on end now or getting back to the same section. So that was a quick video on the way that you enable the out of office option or Gmail vacation responder. If this guide video was helpful, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in more future videos, make sure you hit that notification. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.